How to do SIM swap on Telkom. I'm going to tell you how to do a SIM swap on Telkom. Whether you lost your phone or just need a new SIM card. First, get a Telkom replacement SIM from any Telkom store or retail outlet. Once you have it, insert the new SIM into your phone. But don't activate anything yet. Now, using a different phone or device, dial 180 from another Telkom number or call 081 180 from any other network to speak to customer care. Tell them you want to perform a SIM swap. They'll ask for your ID number, the old SIM card number, if available, and maybe your last few dialed numbers or recent recharge amounts to verify ownership. Once verified, they'll activate your number on the new SIM, which can take anywhere from few minutes to 24 hours. You'll know it's done once your phone shows signal and your old number is working again.